Good afternoon friends, my name is Atul Kumar Bharti and I am from Gyanvar University studying in 6th semester. I have made this project automatic escalator. I have made this project with 3 of my classmates and their name is Harshita Sharma, Ghanshyam Saini and me Atul Kumar Bharti. Our aim of this project is to make an automatic escalator. First of all, I would like to tell you that what is escalator. An escalator is a moving staircase, a conveyor transport device for carrying people between floors of a building. The device consists of a motor driving chain of individual linked steps that move up or down on tracks, allowing the steps to remain in horizontal. We use this escalator in various types of practical platforms. We use in its departmental stores, shopping malls, airports, transport system, in railway system also. Earlier we were also using lifts, but the demerits of lift was that if there was no power supply, then it become totally useless for us, for the people moving from down floor to going to up floor or intermediate floors. But the benefits of using escalator is that if there is no power supply also, then we can use it as a normal staircase. So I have made this project. First of all, I would like to tell you the name of the components being used in it. I have used this step down transformer which converts an 220 volt power supply into 12 volts. This is the DC motor of 10 rpm. These are the two pencils being used. As you can see that these are the two pencils being used as the two ends of a normal escalator. This rope is being tied here to know that the rope is moving. When an IR sensor, when people interrupt it, in there you can see that people when interrupt when coming to the staircase, it starts moving. See, it starts moving and escalator starts moving up and down. Okay. The components being used are, this is a relay, this is a microcontroller, this is a electrolytic capacitor, ULN 2003, L293D, 7805 and these 4 diodes acting as a rectifier. A rectifier is a device which converts an irregular supply of an AC voltage into a constant DC supply. These are the 5 resistors being used of 1 kilo ohm and 2 kilo ohm. This is a transistor and this is a red LED. When we switch on the supply, this LED glows on. This is a ceramic capacitor, this is a crystal oscillator and this is a ceramic capacitor which is used to provide a clock frequency of 1.039 microhertz to the microcontroller. And this is the IR sensor. Now first of all, I would like to tell you the working of this project. As we switch on the supply, it goes to the transformer, step down transformer, which converts the supply into 12 volt, which is given to the 7805. After that, it converts the 7805 into 5 volt, which is given to the L293D, ULN 2003 and microcontroller. After that, what happens is that when supply is given 5 volt, when we supply 5 volt, we have done the coding in this microcontroller that when people come between the IR sensor, then it will start moving down, up and down for regularly, continuously 10 minutes. After that 10 minutes, it will automatically get shut down and wait for the new people to come and it starts its working again. You have used this ULN 2003 for driving the motor. You can see that here is the DC motor is being used. And we have used this L293 to drive the relay, which is also connected by the motor. Okay. After that, diode rectifier is used. Diode rectifier is being used to convert the supply into the constant DC supply, so that uninterrupted interruption, if it come in the ULN or L293D, then it might get damaged or it not might work properly. So we have used the diode rectifier. Thank you all. Welcome.